to Chica and Emma's kitchen. Yay! Today we will be making chocolate bowl fruit desserts.
You will be needing chocolate wafers of your choice, sprinkles if you want, blackberries and strawberries.
Fruit is your choice. We'll also be needing a balloon blown up to about this size and a spoon. Let's get started. We melted our chocolate over a double boiler and it's hot. So, to make the bowls, you will first choose which color you're using if you have to. Then take a little bit on your spoon. Little bit. Put it on the wax paper. You also need a wax thing. Paper. Yeah. And then take your balloon, put it in your chocolate.
But don't leave it in too long, or
if
else
it's
it
still
will
hot.
pop.
It will pop. Okay, then you take it out, turn it sideways, and you spin until it stops dripping. Then you take it over here to your pan, you stick it in.
And leave it to dry.
Then you set it off to dry. Somewhere over there. Now, while this is drying, we will take a strawberry or a blackberry if you're using the fruit. Stick it on a fork if you want. You don't have to. Or you can do it this way. Stick it in. Swirl it around.
Swirl it around until it's nice and coated.
And take it out. Spin it. Plop it on. That is good.
Okay.
And if you'd like, you can put some sprinkles on it.
Just a little bit.
Or a lot. Depends if you're a sprinkler. Now, to assemble it, you will have
To remove the chocolate from the balloon very carefully.
It's hard. We snapped this one right there. We had to reassemble it. Then you put 2 strawberries, one without sprinkles, one with sprinkles.
We put 2 blackberries. And this is what you get.